Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you've been here before, it's your girl Rita, to the T to the A. Today I'm going to show you how I transformed this crown from this to this and this. So if you want to see that, stick around, don't go anywhere. But first, subscribe and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. You know how I do it. Follow me on all my social media platforms. I'll put the link in the description box. Okay, so first I'm going to need some thread. This is the African thread, or rubber like they call it. I'm going to cut that in the middle. I'm going to cut it close to the knot. There's a protective knot around it, so I'll cut it close to that so that you can hold the remaining pieces in place. So the other items you're going to need is water, leave-in conditioner. Is the Sheer Moisture Strengthen and Restore leave-in conditioner. You're going to need your oil. You're going to need a white tooth comb, a detangling brush, and some clips. Okay, so this is what my hair looks like. It has been in a twist out for more than a week, and of course I have to play a closer look to my 4C hair, medium density. This is what it is. I'm going to work in sections. You know I love working in sections. So first, put your hair in sections, protect that with a pin or your clips. So now I'm just going to take this section and spray some water. My hair is already moisturized. I'm just doing this to make detangling a lot easier. After that, I'm just going to go in with my white tooth comb to detangle whatever knots I have in that hair. Then I apply some oil to seal in that moisture from the water. Now I add my leave-in conditioner for some strength. And I further detangle with my detangling brush. Just like that. Gently, people. Gently. Okay, so I'm going to pick 2 pieces of this thread. I like to use 2 pieces, it strengthens it. I'll pull it at the tip and I'll intertwine that with my hair to protect the thread. I'm just going to twist my hair in the opposite direction to which I intend to thread. Just a little bit. And then I protect it at the base by rolling the thread round my hair at the base like 3 to 4 times, just to make sure that thread stays in place. Threading is easy. Just watch closely and see what I'm doing. Just like that. Now my hair shrinks real bad, so I'm going to continuously pull the tip gently. And further detangle with a detangling brush. When there's a little hair left at the end, you just tie that with the rubber or thread. Just like that, people. Just like that. Okay, so I'm just going to do this to the other parts of my hair. When it comes to shedding, guys, this was it. This was all that I shed. Okay, so I'm just going to tie this to make sure it stays out of my face while I go to bed. just a little bit of knots, and then I roll the excess thread around it. Good night, people, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and give this video a thumbs up. Good morning, we're back. I already laid my edges and I protected that with a scarf, did my makeup and all of that. Now I'm just going to unravel this, guys. So to get this out, I'm going to apply a little bit of oil to my palms and massage my scalp a little. And to take out the thread, just pull the thread at the tip and you're good. Gently, people, gently. Okay, so now I'm going to comb through my hair like I'm doing, but first you want to separate each section like that before you put your comb through it, so that your hair doesn't break or snag. So I do that all over. And it's time to style my hair. Now that I'm done, I'll just style this hair to whatever I desire. And that's it, guys. As for shedding, this was all of it, so I'm doing good. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Give this video a thumbs up. Click the post notification button so that you are notified whenever I have a new video out. Thank you. I remain Rita, and you remain colorfully blessed. Bye.